ka Jingdawa ka Voice of the People Party VPP badai ban Thungkam Biang ya lai ngut ki Ophisar ka Meghalaya Lokayukta ki bala weng dangchen kalai tengku da ka jubab ka bating no ba perston tensong usumbut menterang ba badai khmi yaknat kampoi yeng ka Sorkar jela Kuman syukudo baka VPP kelami surok hakakat kendai terik kulalung kuat hajar arhusau bandawa nak Sorkar jela ban Thungbiang ya kitegi Ophisar bat ubah perstun ulong bala daki wanhi ban yekren ti onsepe hanre ban khot hi ti em ubah perstun ulong baka Jingdawa Thungbiang ya kitegi Ophisar nak VPP kapen i baki don Jingïadei ka bacan habakren halo ka nongrem bala thung ya ki weipat ka Meghalaya Lokayukta ubah perstun ulong baka Sorkar kala thung daki Ophisar ki badang trei hakakam kat kum ki kendon bakan longru ka jingmentoy nak benta ka Sorkar.
We are being guided by the acts and the rules. Those days, see, because we really wanted to make sure that Lokayukta is in place, start functioning, in spite of the fact of huge shortage of officers that we have. Ultimately, we managed somehow to again reappoint those retired officials. So Lokayukta started functioning and it is functioning till now also. But let me just tell you one thing. The rules and the act says very clearly, it should be the serving officers. The post should be appointed none other than the serving officers. So accordingly, we did that. But I saw the demand number one of VPP is that reinstate those two or something. Is that
Yes.
Reinstate it. Or, okay.
All the three.
Otherwise, will be on the street. I would like to ask from them, on what basis? Reinstate for what? On what basis? Because now we already have a full-fledged serving officers in all these three posts. We already fill it up. And they were only on contractual basis. So, for what? I really don't understand. Why do they have to, go to the street and say all this? We have seen the letters sent by them. We have studied it, everything. And then we have already clarified also. That is like this, like this, like this. These are the rules, blah, blah, blah. So we have done it. So I don't see anything wrong at all with the decision taken by the government to bring in serving officers to this important post. Habang yung serving but retired, kaya gijing pair. Retired and serving is what? Kaya different. But kaya responsibility. Jong ki retired but ki serving. Subo mentangin ki retired. Kangtam kini ki post kini ki walong very important. Makin function. Te subo don kanur kanu. Kaba ke complication. Kikino ni lala ni donate. Lada berkelaro debi. Kebala advice kalau Sorkar kan sesu. Pun no. And like saving officers, we can't do that. Number belayu. Ke procedure kadot. Kumno banle, kumno bantrei, ba pinbut ya ka rule ka ai. Thik pa thik. Ban le ba klam long, naman nga kumo pinbut sin an la chong thai. La longไปไม่ได้กุมกี full-fledged employees. The full-fledged employees plus two take responsibility. Ke jongki. Ke number 2, ke point number 2. Habang ai ki serving officers, ngi save ru. Haga jaka bingin ai ki de salary. Ngi ai ki TADA, sitting fees, tangkatala biak. Hindi ba ai ki daga tulok. Te hantaro ngong pi kala man toy sibun. Te dai pi denga raw ngong pi ngidala syong bahang ila sani lut na dok sedok. Then on that basis, ba ngisa thung daki saving officers ha gitu ki post, but gitu ki post yiki bagi thung mentaro lewat. Yo pi ong bagi violate ya ka rules dan ka act. Na ka tu ka post ka ba ngaon pi ka bagi la thung mentaki ta lai. Lah ba pi ka nok ta ben rong wen stone ya Europe Lokayukta. Atau Lokayukta the way. Balai tang kita lai ngot ben. You see? Di kamlong ni. Namar kini ni kita ki employees ki ba ha Lokayukta. Kaya ka bangan perkut kelong tak ni. It seems those terminated officials, they are related to maybe to those people. That's it. We don't call them for talk. If they want to talk, we are ready. But why should we call? We have already explained everything.